We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing and often mispronounced words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? In British English, this is generally said as tutorial, so a tu sound at the beginning rather than a proper T sound. You want to stress on that second toe syllable, tutorial. In American English, however, it is normally said as tutorial with a proper T sound here. Tutorial in American English versus tutorial in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.